Hi, today I'm Redmi Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why I open the Play Store app, and after that in the search pool just enter the Ampere. So here you'll see this first application. Tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click to yes, I agree, click close. Tap to OK in the left down corner, so you'll see here information about battery temperature. In my case, that's 33 degrees. Also, you can find here more information like the battery health level, capacity, voltage, and more on information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.